Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split screen on Huawei MateBook D16. Split the screen, it is pretty simple. So the first thing you need to do is open at least 2 apps, up to 4, which you're gonna put in the split screen mode. So first I'm gonna open File Explorer, maybe just 2 windows of File Explorer. And now to put them in split screen, start moving one window around. So to move it, either, I'm gonna show you the touchpad, either press on the left key and start moving around, or double tap. No, it works. So you can double tap and then at the second tap, don't release the finger. Just start moving around. And now I'm gonna show you, as I start moving around, it shows this at the top. So when I hover over it, it displays this bar, and now I can select where to place my window. So I'm gonna place it on the left side. Then it asks me what to place on the right side. I'm gonna select the other window, File Explorer, and now they are in split screen. I can resize it by dragging this bar in the middle between them. So you drag them the same as you drag a window, and this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna open 2 additional windows of File Explorer. And now I'm gonna put them in 4 windows mode. So let's place this one here, that one here, and this one here. So now you can see I can also resize them pretty easily, just like that. And also there's a simple way of doing that without hovering over the top bar. So I'm gonna close these windows, then I'm gonna open 4 windows of File Explorer again, which are reset, so they are not in the size of the split screen windows. And now I'm gonna show you. If you want to put something in full screen, then drag it all the way up. You can see it fills the whole screen now. Now if you want to put something on the right side, drag it to the right side. Then it'll ask you what to put on the left side, but you can just click anywhere. To put something in a corner, move it to the corner, then it'll align itself. So let me show you that again, but at the bottom. You can just move it down to the corner and it aligns itself. And now I can still resize it so it still catches the split screen mode. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.